And slowly bring your right hand down. Come to your half moon pose. For 3, 2, the right hand down to the mat. Spread your fingers to squeeze the space in between your hands. Rest your hand down, table in, hugging in, table in. Hug your left foot up. Up. Sige, dali, up. Up. Alright, up. One more. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, vinyas. Upward facing, push back, downward facing. Roll your spine forward, plank pose. Lower your knees down first to the mat. Cat and cow, inhale, cow pose. Exhale, round your back to cat. Again, inhale, cow. Exhale, cat stretch. One last, cow pose, breathing in. Exhale, cat, round your back, stay here for 3, 2, now spine to control. Bring the back of the palms down to the mat. Fingers pointing to your knees or to your thighs. Close open your fingers. Alright. Bring your hands down to the mat. Now this time, bring your elbows, forearms down. Cat and cow stretch first. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, round your back to cat. Again, cow pose. Inhale. Cat stretch, exhale. Again, cow pose. Exhale, round your back to cat. Stay here for 3, 2, spine to neutral. Tuck your toes. Lift your knees up, dolphin pose. Alright, come to your dolphin, hips up. Move your feet closer to your chest. Walk your feet closer to your chest. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2. Now can you gaze at your hands? Breathe in, heels up, lean forward. Exhale, push back. Inhale, lean forward, chin forward. Exhale, back. Again, inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Again, forward. Back. Maybe 5 more. Back. 4. Back. 3. And back. 2. Back. 1 last. Back. And you lower your knees down. Take a rest first, child's pose. Second round. Once you're ready, come again onto your forearms, tuck your toes, dolphin pose. Dolphin, knees up, knees up. Right leg up to the ceiling. Again, gaze at your hands. Inhale, lean forward, left heel up. Exhale, down. Again, up. Down, exhale. 3. Down. In. Down. One more. In, stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, release. Knees down, reset. Come onto your forearms, other side. Let's do your Dolphin pose with your left leg up. Alright. Come to your dolphin. Walk your feet closer to your chest. Left foot, left leg up. Gaze at your hands and space between your arms. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, back. Again, forward. Back. Again, forward. Back. Two more. Forward. Back. One last. Forward, stay. Belly in. Press your forearms down for 3, 2. Alright, you're release. Shake your arms. Rotate your wrists. Let's try this. Sit onto your heels. Open your arms out to the side. Just cross your shoulders. Alright? Bring your left shoulder down. Turn face the right side. Switch. Bring your left arm up. Switch. And just keep on moving. Feeling the rotation to your shoulders. For 3, 2. Alright. And slowly back again to the mat. Forearm. Sira ko na muna. Gusto mo niya ba? Then, pinch up. Sira ka lang. Sige, forearm ka. Tapos your forearm. Sabi ng preparation sa kitchen. Take a look. Sige, forearms down. Come to your dolphin. Galingan mo, hindi nakapigil tayo. Hindi mo na sinabi. Ay, sorry. Tap your toes. Dolphin up. Knees up. Come to your dolphin. Walk your feet closer to your chest. Now lift your right leg up first. Now from here, you may bring your hands down to the mat, or if you want, we bring a triangle with your fingers. If you want, just try this. Mas okay ka na kayo. Okay. Right leg up. Right leg up. Now again, just keep your extended leg extended. We'll try to bend this. The force or the energy, the momentum comes onto the bottom leg. Okay? So bend your left knee. Gaze at the space between your hands, or hands if you can. Up. Alright, very good. Up. Keep the right leg straight up. Up. Table in. One more up. And one last up. Ito mo. Good sa mga longer. Legs stick together. Press onto your forearms. 5, 4, 3, 2. Seize your legs. Alright. Moving on the left side para pantay. Left naman. Ay, ako naman. Yung left para pantay. Para yung right naman yung pick up. Nakaka-pressure kami. Kailangan nagpapinsa dito sa file. Kailangan nagpapinsa. Tinsadya kayo talaga nila. Tuck your toes. Come to your dolphin. Now left leg up. Again, keep your left leg straight. Magagaling yung buwelo sa right. And up. 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 Tailbone in. Press onto your forearms. Tailbone in. Point your toes up. Very good. Vinyasa. Child's pose. Kahit yung kick-ups lang. Kahit kick-ups lang. Okay? Coach, yung take-off ng pwede similar sa headstand. Yung knee steps? Oo, pwede naman. Pero para sa akin sinahirap siya. Since masyado malakas yung momentum. So, tendency is talaga magpapapagod. So, I suggest laging nakastick lang talaga yung legs para may... Oo, ako naman lang... Ako naman lang preparation. Yeah, keep the back leg up. Ito lang talaga yung mag-wait. Up.
Okay.
Up.
Si George ang right leg.
Up.
Yung...
Pwede sa wall.
Oo nga, pwede ba sa wall?
Sige lang po.
Ayaw talaga.
Kasi sa akin kasi sa wall.
Pwede, sige. Ano pa na lang.
Para na lang, isa-isa na lang.
Sige.
Kaya mo yun. Lodi ka namin.
Explore, explore.
Basta amoy ba ganyan?
Eh kung saan ka
Mas masaya ka.
right leg up. Again, keep the back leg straight. Ito lang, kasi dito ka makukuha ng well. Para kung mag-kick up ka, makukuha ka agad yung
Una.
up. Up.
Saka.
Up. Point your toes.
Wait pa.
May kulay yung ano. For 3, 2, right leg. Okay lang. Left leg.
Ayaw mo na kayo.
May anak na talaga. Parang ko kayo.
Nakagaya na natin direct sa iyo. Left leg.
At least may pala yung feeling na.
Ang sabi kasi nila, mas madaling ma-find yung balance pag naka-straight yung legs.
Actually, yung sa'yo kanina na nakagano, parang biglang, di ba sobrang balance eh? Siya yung
Ay,
Ano dapat?
naka-straight yung legs. Hindi.
Ano ka lang?
Straight lang yung legs. Parang mag-split sa taas. Tapos again, navel in. Parang ano natin sa kain ko. Tsaka yung chair.
Ayan, I think yan. Yan yung tinutulong.
Ay, nakabed. Okay lang yung nakabed.
Okay,
Right
nakabed.
nakabed. Left leg up.
Ang laki ng effort eh. Ang effort kasi is
Ayun. Up.
Wait lang. Lalo sa yung elbow.
Up. Ayun. Very good. Up. One last. Up.
Yung,
Ayun. Press onto your forearms. 5, 4, back to the seat. 3, 2,
sabi ito.
alright.
Tinulong naman yung Darius. Saka yung kanyang ginawa.
Ang naman na kasi dito, nag-square agad kasi yung hips, kaya nakabend yung knee. It would make your hip engage ka. Kaya siya kasi. Yun ang parang diretso.
Iba pala yung mechanics. Iba mechanics siya sa headstand.
Sige, headstand.
Headstand.
Ayaw na. Ayaw na.
Ako yun na ako. George, diba?
Pagod mo pa. Pagod na natin may tayo sa kapatid. Siya na wide elbows mo. Here ka pa lang.
Headstand mas okay ako.
Pagod.
Pero hindi straight yung paa. Paano may headstand na lang?
Pagod pala
Eh,
eh. Hindi straight yung back. Ako din, ko kaya eh.
ano pala siya? Sister ni Akimera. Sister ni Les. Shera. Friend. Pinakwento ni Les dito.
Kaya wala siya dito.
Wala si Les. Tagal siya mawala. Thanks ka.
Papagod yun ang sabi yan. Parang ano lang ha. Maka...
Eh, sa ako yung mga pala.
May headstand pa pala.
Sila.
Sige, go.
Sila yung mga ayaw kong dahil wala ka. Nakakayos sa After 10 breaths, lower down, and it's all knee to your child's pose. Kabila, oh, kabila.
Ano ka ba tayo?
Kahit 5 breaths lang sa kabila. Para matulad.
Kapila na.
Okay, diba? Kasi ginawa niyo yung ano, isa naka-free, isa naka
Okay.
extend your left hand. Up. Inhale, exhale. Toes up. Toes up. Alright, must be lighter. 5, 4,
Nag-type na ako. Matuloy ka tayo.
3, 2. Alright, everyone in child's pose.
May sarili na kaming baby.
Extend your hands forward. May bring your knees as wide as your mat. For 3, 2, and slowly walk your hands to your knees. Lift up, sit onto your mats. Soles of your feet together, knees out to the side. Grab hold of your feet, open your feet like a book. Knees up and down. Slowly inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, lower down, fold. You even want to extend your hands forward if you're comfortable or if you have still space. Very good. Five, 4, 3, 2. Alright, walk your hands closer to your feet, lift your chest, knees into your chest, extend your legs, your feet forward, and shake your legs, arms up. Toes pointing up, exhale, lean forward, down to fold. Hands on your shin, ankles, feet on your toes. For 3, 2, and slowly inhale, come back up. Hands behind your hips. Let's do a reverse plank. Hands 2 inches behind. Fingers maybe pointing to your hips or out. Lift your hips up. Toes down to the mat. Push your hips up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly release. Find your backs, your spines down to your mat. Hug your knees in, massage your back by swaying from side to side. Hug your right knee into your chest, extend your left leg down to the mat. See your spine twist, left hand to your right knee. Pull down to your left side, extend your right arm up onto your supine twist. center. Switch, extend your right leg down. Left knee into your chest. Pull down to the opposite side. Down to spine twist. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly back to center. Knees in. Second to the last pose is your happy baby pose. Knees to the sides of your ribs, feet up. Grab hold of your feet. Maybe the inner sole or the outer edge. Gently pull your feet down as you slowly swing from side to side. Press your lower back down. Again, if there's a pose that you still want to explore to complete your practice, go ahead, you're free to do so. If not, just try to release your legs, your feet down to the mat. You bring your hands out the side, release your feet down. You just extend your legs, your feet as wide as your mat. Hands out the side, you relax your shoulders. Gently close your eyes. You can just breathe into your nose, exhale and out of your mouth. As you slowly find your most comfortable lying position. Just stay here for a few more cycles of your breath, just to rest. Start to bring awareness back to your body. Start to move your toes and your fingers. Maybe move our hands from side to side. And just slowly just bring your legs and feet together. Extend your arms up overhead. Just give yourself a stretch. And just slowly bring your knees to your chest. Hug your knees in. Give yourselves a hug. Massage your back by swinging from side to side. And just slowly let's all fall down to your right side. Just rest your head down to your right arm. Slowly, with the help of your hands, gently push yourselves up away from your mat as you all sit back to your easy seated pose. We bring your palms together, your hands to your heart, and you keep our eyes closed. And just with your normal breathing, just feel and acknowledge what you're feeling inside your body. Maybe just feeling that lightness, that openness, that energy. Carry your memories, feeling, and share it all throughout your day, all throughout your week. Keeping in mind the intention you have set earlier before we start our practice. We either just end this practice with one chant of Om. Again, it's only optional, but if you're open, follow my lead. Inhale through your nose, prepare. Back to your normal breathing. And let's just end this practice with gratitude, thanking each and every one for this morning's practice. Bring your palms to your forehead. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice week. Namaste. Thank you. Salamat. Next week, it's Teacher Elena over Shepherd. Teacher Elena. Over the siya before you. Baka restorative, I'm not sure if may restorative siya. Or minsan kasi nag-gym, pero gentle yoga lang siya. Minsan may box. So siya mo-over for next Tuesdays and Sunday. Wala na naman ba yung gusto mo kasi sila over dito?
Sige, hindi na lang sa akin.
Ate tayo.
Magpapaka-broken ako over.